Oi. Oh, there's a plug socket. Freedom. Lovely. What is happening, Mitchell?
We're revamping the museum. What's this, like version 75.0 or something?
Well, actually, this has not been adjusted since the start. So these were some of the first things I actually put up in the museum was these PA speakers, and this was the original synth area. But we're going to update this, looking a bit more like that over there.
Yeah, the DIY synths are going to move over here, and then we're going to do some pretty cool stuff over here. I won't tell you just yet to spoil the surprise.
So we're going to pull these units out first, put some more Storelex, our favourite. This is the Storelex that we use. I was cheaping out for here, but we've, been saving up. The museum's been saving up, so some more Storelex over here. Follow along for the ride. Hi, see ya! Hold time! See you later. Oh, nasty. Oh, yeah. This will do for the flamethrower organ that I'm going to build.
Whoa. That's the last of the pipe work. You're in the organ room right now, hence why the end of this is red. But yeah, this is a little peephole between the two rooms.
Starting to look pretty good. We got the Digisound 80 and the Rigger Synthy in there. I'm just about to put this on this table here. This table's a little bit shallow though, so I want to put this all the way back against the wall. The problem is, the cables come in the back. Situations like this, I just think to myself, what would Look Mum No Computer do? That'll do it. Making loads of progress now and getting stuff on the shelves. This is exciting. Johnny said, it looks like if AI designed a synthesizer. And these ones are a little bit more fragile, which is why we put them down the bottom. We're going to put some plastic in front. Next, I'm going to mount some of Sam's old Cosmo cases. These are the ones he first made. They're all like DIY, no PCBs here, it's all strip board and stuff. Fits in very well with all the DIY synth stuff, and they're going to go up on this wall. It's always difficult in a museum. We're learning. None of us are really professional, I guess we are museum people, but this space here is the prime space. Everybody can reach it. You have to really choose what's going to go in this space. Look at that, how cool is that? And this matching keyboard will have this running and it making sound. So this corner here is now the DIY synth zone. And before the internet, before folks like that Look Mum No Computer bloke, and Ray Wilson, of course, who was one of the first to publish synthesizer designs and make kits available on the internet, there weren't that many places that you could teach yourself how to make synthesizers. So people had to rely on plans published in magazines like these. So all of these synthesizers are a real labour of love. Often cases people were looking at machines like the EMS Synthy, but couldn't afford them, so went the whole way and made their own version. This is our Riggy Synthy. This was built by Peter Riggs in the 70s, and it was based on plans published in loads of different magazines. In fact, it's got a little bit of the Practical Electronics sound synthesizer. It's got a little bit of the Wireless World magazine sound synthesizer in it, and the Electronics Today 4600. So this is a completely one-off creation you can only play here at the museum. In this corner over here, I think we're going to figure out some kind of racks so we can have more magazines up. This beautiful drum voice is here, which are going to be working. I'm thinking maybe we'll have some like buttons on here that'll trigger the voices. Maybe, we'll see. Got even more synthesizers in there now, and we have all of Sam's cases up on the wall. One day, I think we'll take them down and get them all working again. And we got some of the descriptions up, telling the stories of all the synthesizers, who built them, where they came from. Tribute there to Ray Wilson, who made the awesome music from outer space synthesizers. This is now secured to the shelf so it can't fall down, hurt anybody if they pull on these cables. The Gen and the Transcendent 2000 are chilling up there. They're actually having a bit of issues at the moment, so we got to take them into the workshop and get those fixed. Now I've got to put all of the LED lighting underneath the shelves so you can see it all properly, and it looks really cool. Got the first LED strip using this stuff here. Here's how it looks before the lights go on, but it looks so much better with the lights on. got a spotlight up there, which is shining a bit more light on these descriptions and the things that are a bit further forward in the cases. We still need to get the perspex on the bottom cases, and we need to figure out a way of making this interactive. I'm now thinking maybe a Beat Step Pro over here somewhere, so that you can use the drum machine and the synth voice together at the same time. I think that'd be pretty cool. You just got to figure out a way for making it easily understandable. Not always the easiest task to make everything interactive. Sometimes just a list of instructions though goes a long way. Keen-eyed among you will have noticed that I've put some old schematics on the shelf to make them look a bit nicer. And it does look a lot nicer. Look at these shelves. Disgusting. Some of you say, Mitch, how dare you use these old schematics for this purpose? Well, okay. This I think ties in with a lot of the philosophy of this entire museum. Because not only did we save these from going in the skip, also, they were just sitting in the bottom of a box, never to be seen again. At least now, they're actually being seen and appreciated. And if I hadn't have used them for this purpose, I wouldn't have had the opportunity to photograph them, digitise it, and upload that to the Telecom's Heritage archive online. So now everybody can access them, and I did choose the most boring circuits I could find as well. We're a really small organisation, so we don't have the budget to be making custom prints of reproductions of this kind of stuff. Part of the reason why people come to this place is because it looks really cool, and that's a big part of it. And so to sustain this, in the same way that we let people use all the synthesizers and stuff, not just put them in a case, things may not be perfectly preserved in a way that some people might feel they need to be, but sacrificing a little bit of the preservation of some things, I think, actually spreads the appreciation of things to a much wider amount of people, which in the long term does massively benefit preservation. And of course, when you come here, you're free to browse any of the magazines, have a flick through them. Got to make holders on the shelves for the headphones. That's working quite well though. And of course, we've got the Maplin synthesizer that I've been fixing. There's videos on the channel of that. And that's going to come here as well. So we're going to find some more space for synthesizers. Well, I'm pretty happy with that. I think it's looking pretty good so far. If you want to check out the complete exhibit, you can come visit us here. And thanks so much for watching the video and supporting either on Patreon or through one-off donations that you can do in the YouTube Super Thanks or on the website through PayPal. We also sell on the website sample packs of recordings of all the cool stuff around the museum that you can use to make music. And if you want to come here and make music, we also do private bookings, so you can come and have the run of the place and play everything to your heart's content. And there's going to be some very, very cool updates coming soon regarding the recording setup that we have here at the museum. Yeah, so subscribe to the channel and all that good stuff so you can catch that, because trust me, if you think this display looks cool, oh, you're in for a treat. I'll just give you a little peek around the corner. Oh my. Yeah, what did I say? We'll catch you in the next video very soon.